Welcome to my channel. Step ahead with a new video. Today I have come up with another amazing video on how to meet up in cream blush with SPF. So this blush also works as a highlighter. It is your cheeks a bit of rosy glow and sparkle, and also it brightens up the dull G. So let's get started. So let's find out what are the things that you need to prepare this. So the first ingredient that you need is a shea butter, and in this, if you don't have washer butter, you can use your facial moisturizing cream. The next ingredient that you need is a vitamin E capsule. Now you can use this vitamin E capsule, or you can use this one which is the length of aloe vera and vitamin E oil. The next ingredient that you need is fine. Use a glitter powder, so just to add a bit of shimmer and sparkle to your cheek. The next thing that you need is your liquid foundation, so you can use your regular foundation. I am using this MAC mineralized foundation. The next thing that you need is the angle lipstick, so you can use any lipstick that is broken lipstick or anything lipstick that is almost going to finish, so you can use that. And finally you need any clean container. Store your blush. So let's get started with the preparation method. To take a small bowl and do this, I am going to add is 1 teaspoon of shea butter. Shea, but it gives a creamier texture to your blush, and it also has an SPF about 6, so it is good for light sunburns, and it keeps your skin more shaped and healthy. Then I will add the contents of this vitamin E capsule. So this is an attractive natural glow to the skin, and it has an SPF of 3, so it protects your beautiful chick from sun damage. Now a dipstick, depending on the desired color you want it to be. So I like this much amount of your stick, and add a little bit of foundation, so this creates a smooth base and gives a creamy, flawless finish. Finally add a little bit of loose glitter powder. Now mix it really well, get a soft, smooth, creamy texture. So I'll show you how exactly it looks on my hand and also on my face. Well, if a tiny amount of this blush, and I'll apply it on my hand, so you have to blend it really well so you can see how it looks. It has a bit of glitter glue, shimmer, and also discipline to your moisture. So if I bring my hands closer to the camera, you can see how it looks. Now I'll show you how exactly it looks on my face. So take a little bit of this and apply to the apples of your cheeks, and also a little bit onto the bridge of your nose. Now blend it really well. So if I bring my face closer to the camera, you can see how it looks. This cream blush is also very good for those with mature skin, because it restores radiance and gives a natural finish, and also a lovely pink glow on your face. So just transfer this into a clean makeup drop. Now you can store this at room temperature for about 2 to 3 months. Also, I want to share with you a simple tip to make your cheeks look more natural, luminous, and healthy. So just applied the creamy blush to the apples of your cheeks. Before applying the foundation, I use the foundation over your cream blush and blend well, so this gives a beautiful cocktail shine to your cheek and makes your cheeks look more natural and glowing. So try the super easy blush recipe at home and share your results with me. And if you want to see more such amazing beauty videos, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button.